Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a minute. It is currently almost 5 o'clock in the morning. I just got off work. I'm trying not to wake up Devin, but I probably will. My Ulta store has been under construction for the past several weeks, and all of this week I've been doing some overnight shifts. Shiny. Anyway, I've been doing these overnight shifts from 9 p.m. to 5:30 a.m. and I wasn't supposed to work tomorrow, but I said I would cover for one of my coworkers, so they let me go home early tonight since I'm working an extra day. It's gonna be, I'll be working over 40 hours this week alone. It's been rewarding but exhausting, and so when I'm not sleeping, I'm at work. That's where I've been. I've been pretty absent from YouTube, and that's why I just haven't had time to film or edit or upload. I got my BoxyCharm and I got my Ipsy, so I thought I would just open both of them right now. So if you're interested in seeing what I got in my October BoxyCharm and my October Ipsy and how they compare to each other, then just keep watching. I'm gonna go with the Ipsy first. Last month I was missing an item from my Ipsy, and their customer service said that they would send me a replacement, and they didn't. So whatever. Yeah, okay, so I really like the bag this month. It's like a masquerade mask. It's really, really cute. So first up I have a Makeup Forever Ultra HD. I'm pretty sure this is a skin tint, and I'm pretty sure this is a repeat. It looks like it might be closer to my shade though. Still is probably gonna be too dark, but it's way better than the last Makeup Revolution sample that they sent me. Or was that from Sephora? I can't remember, but that's closer. Invisible Cover Foundation, so I'm not sure if it's a foundation or a skin tint. Comes with a pump. Oh, the card. Who said nights were for sleep? Not me, apparently. I haven't slept in 2 weeks. Next is wrapped in many layers of bubble wrap. Sorry, I'm not super high energy right now. I'm trying to be quiet, and I'm really tired. Next is this Glow Pro Stellar Iridescent Highlight from City Color. It's in the shade Nebula. That's like a full-size highlighter. It's blue. It's creamy, but it's blue. I don't know if I would ever wear that. Definitely more of a natural highlight kind of person. Next, I have a brush from INM Cosmetics. I like the detail on the handle. It's pretty cool. Just kind of a big fluffy shader brush. I have all the brushes I need. Next is from Voss Strawberry Peppermint Lip Balm. Ew. Ew. I do not like that smell. Ugh. And last is from The Balm. This is Take Home the Bronze. It's a little bronzer sample. Just a little sample. If you watch any of my videos regularly, you know that this is one of my very favorite highlights. It's the Murray Luminizer. I think that their packaging is super cute. So, super creamy. Decently pigmented, and I think that's going to be a good color. And that's it for the Ipsy. I'm going to give this a 2.5 out of 5. These two, and then kind of the highlighter. I don't really care about the brush and that lip balm. It smells really bad. That's gonna go in my give to other people box. Onto my BoxyCharm. I'm marginally more excited about my BoxyCharm. I only know 2 things that came in it, so I'm excited to see what else. Oh, man. So, first thing is a full size of the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. My birthday gift for this year was a sample of this mascara. I don't use regular mascaras, so I will get literally 0 use out of this, which is pretty sad. If they had it in a waterproof formula, I'd be all over that. This is usually $24. Next is this Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. It looks like I was sent the shade Vampira. This usually retails for $20. I think the Kat Von D packaging is really pretty. I swatched these at Sephora 2 weekends ago because I knew I was going to be getting one of these. This is one of the first spoilers that they gave. They don't smell very good. I like the shade. I think that shade is just right for me. It's a matte formula. It's supposed to be very, very long wearing. I really like that color though. That's my kind of thing, my kind of color. Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. It says it melts away even the boldest of makeup looks. Powerful enough to remove every last trace of long wear makeup, yet ultra nourishing on your skin, leaving it hydrated and smooth. This retails for $22. It's like a balm. Obviously, that's what it is. It's a cleansing balm. I'll give that a try. I'm always down to put people's makeup remover claims to the test. Next, from Dermovia, is the Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel-Off Mask. So it looks like it comes with a liquid. This has got to be like the most horrifying picture I've ever seen in my whole life. Oh! So it looks like it's like a mud mask, and then it has a lace mask that goes over the top for deep exfoliation. This is $30, and there are 2 treatments. And lastly, we have a palette. This palette is from Pure Cosmetics. It's called Midnight Masquerade. 6 shadows and 4 face products. I think the packaging is really pretty. It opens up like this. Your face products are here. Your eye products are here. These are weird. You get a tiny, tiny mirror. So I think that's supposed to be a blush, but it is glittery. And I don't know what these are for. Like, that's probably a pretty highlight. I'm not impressed. I thought I'd be more excited about this. I'm not. You have 1 matte shade. The rest are metallic shimmers. Exposed, Mask Off, Sneak Peek, and 12 a.m. They're pretty creamy. Twilight. That's pretty. I do think that is too dark for my skin though. Hidden Secret. Enchantment. Okay, that would be an eyeshadow. That's not a face product. That is a beautiful eyeshadow though. And Reveal. the only thing that has impressed me from this entire palette would be Enchantment, and that would be a really pretty eyeshadow. It's super creamy. That's the only thing. And this palette is usually $38. So, I have decided that I'm going to cancel my Ipsy for good. I never use anything that they send me. I have 1,000 bags that I don't know what to do with. And that $10 a month could be used for anything else. I've started my retirement, my IRA, and that $10 a month that I'm wasting on makeup that I don't use could be going towards that, you know? So I'm gonna cancel my Ipsy. I was just gonna cancel it outright this month, but I had like points or whatever, so I redeemed that for a product, and so that gets sent in my next bag. So after November, I'm done. I mean, it's almost been an entire year of Ipsy. It just isn't doing it for me anymore. And I think I'll stick with BoxyCharm for a little while longer, but probably not. I don't know. Because from out of these 10 products, the only things that I'm like actually really excited for are these two. And I don't know. I'm tired. I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna go shower because I stink. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel before you go. I'll see you guys next time. I don't know when the next time will be, but I'll see you next time.